Have you ever gone to an Udupi hotel to have sambar? Today I will share this Udupi hotel sambar recipe with you. Hi friends, welcome to Merlyn's Magical Recipes. Many of us go to Udupi hotels specially to have sambar. Today I will be showing you an easy way how to make this Udupi style sambar. Come, let us start making this sambar. To make this sambar, we have taken half a cup of tur dal, which we have to wash it thoroughly and then put water and put it in the cooker for one whistle and then make the gas slow and cook it for 10 minutes. First, we have to prepare the sambar masala. For that, we have taken around 6 Kashmiri chillies, 3 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of jeera, half a bowl of fresh grated coconut, around 15 flakes of garlic. These are around 20 curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of chana dal. We have to roast all this. I have taken 2 tablespoon of oil. Let us put all this in the oil and start roasting it. Till it becomes little brown, we have to roast this. Now this masala is all roasted nicely. Let us off the gas. Wait for this masala to cool down and then we have to grind this in the mixer. Now we have taken 6 tablespoons of oil. These are the sambar onions, small ones. You get this in the market, especially for sambar. Around 25 onions we have taken. Let us put in the oil. And these are 2 tomatoes which are cut fine. Let us fry the onion and the tomatoes first. For making this sambar, you can take any vegetables of your choice. I have taken drumsticks. These are brinjals and red pumpkin. Altogether, this may be around half a kg. Let us put this along with the onion and tomatoes. First, we have to cook these vegetables nicely with the onion and tomatoes. Let us stir this well. And then we have to cover this up and keep it. But first we have to add little water just for the vegetables to cook. Maybe half a cup. And cover this up and keep. Now let us see if the vegetables are cooked. See, nicely they have become soft. Now you can put the haldi powder. This is half teaspoon of haldi powder. And this is the ground masala, what we had ground the sambar masala. Let us put in this. Just give it a stir. Let the masala fry for 2 minutes with the vegetable. Just 2 minutes we have fried this masala with the vegetable. Now this is the boiled dal which we had boiled in the cooker. Let us add this. give it a nice stir. This is one small ball of tamarind which I had soaked in the water, just a small ball. Let us just squeeze it into the water and add this water in the sambar. Just let it cook for some time. Now we have to add the required salt. According to taste, only you have to put the salt and wait for this sambar to come to a boil. Now the sambar is boiling. Let us do the tempering. We have taken about 4 tablespoons of oil. This is half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of jeera. Let us put this. Let the mustard seeds sputter a little. Then we can add the jeera. Quarter teaspoon of hing, asafoetida. And these are around 15 curry leaves. Let us off this gas and give the tempering. See how nice the sambar is looking. Now let us put the coriander leaves last and give it a final stir. And our Udupi Sambar is all ready to eat. You can off the gas and do the presentation. Friends, try making this Udupi Sambar the way I have shown you. It tastes excellent with masala dosa, medu vada or even with idli. The ingredients of this recipe is given in the description box. If you like my today's sambar recipe, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Until I come up with my next recipe, bye.